Hi everyone, this is Dana again. Updating my video because I did a video with you guys telling you that my Blendjet that I received on Monday would not turn on. And on Thursday, I got a brand new one. Customer service was awesome. They shipped me a brand new one with 3 more jet packs, smoothie packs. And I filled it with the milk, some mango chunks, some grapes, and I'm about to put one of their smoothie packs in. So I'm going to pause this video real quick to put the jet pack in, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and I'm putting the blueberry pack in. I've already washed it with some soap, and yes, it came on. So that's why I'm putting all this stuff in it now, because I know it's going to work, because I've already tested it. I think I got everything out of there. I think I see real fruit down in there, guys. Dried fruit. Well, I still had a lot more. Yep, alright, so that's all I want. Oh no, more is coming out. A whole blueberry just came out of there. Oh wow. So it's dried fruit inside this jetpack, so that's pretty cool. On this one it's dried. It's banana powder, oat bran, blueberry, maple syrup, organic flax seeds, pineapples. Oh wow, some good stuff in here, guys. Healthy. So I just wanted to let you know that Blendjet did me right. I have already tested it, and I just wanted to update you guys. And yes, the bad boy was spinning like crazy. And if you want to watch me blend this, you can. I'm going to pause it real quick to tighten this thing on here. Okay, here we go. I think it's struggling. Something's down there I got in there struggling. Pick it up a little bit. Uh-oh. It stopped on me, guys. It didn't even blend in everything. I think something got caught. Let me look. It's really struggling, y'all. I only put 2 mango chunks in there, and it's really struggling. Alright guys, I had to pause the video and kind of assisted a little bit with my spoon, stir up some stuff. Put a little bit more liquid in it, maybe it didn't have enough liquid. I put a little milk in there, but I guess it wasn't enough, so put some more, we'll see what happens. Still struggling, guys. I don't know why. It said it could crush ice. But it's having a hard time with these mango chunks. If it can't crush a mango chunk, I don't know how it's going to crush ice. I'm going to test it out here in a minute. think it's doing a little better. Let's see. Okay, guys, it's got a nice consistency down in there. I think it actually did pretty good this time. Look at that. That's pretty good. I don't know if you can see it. There's a shadow in there, but it came out pretty decent. Let me see if it has any chunks. It struggled though with the mango chunks. Next time I'll thaw the mango chunks out. I just figured since it said it can crush ice, it can crush mango chunks, but it struggled. It struggled. So we'll see what happens. Let me see how it fares. I'm gonna pour it in this glass. Oh yeah, that's got a nice consistency. Look at that. Ooh, that's my breakfast right there, y'all. Crushed everything. Like I said, I need a little help, but we eventually got it out of there. Had to do some stirring. Next time I'll thaw the oh, it's my bay leaves, y'all. Keep the creepy crawlies away. If nobody knew that, put bay leaves around. Keep the creepy crawlies away. They don't like the smell of bay leaves. Anyway, so that's the Blendjet, and I'm about to enjoy my... Oh, here's the mango chunks. I only put a couple in there, about 3 or 4. That's more than a couple, but it did the job. It got it done. Alrighty. Talk to y'all later. Bye.